The seagrass meadows in Abu Dhabi Emirate form one of the largest stands of seagrass in the world. The Commission of Environmental Research estimates coverage of 5,500 square kilometres of seagrass throughout the marine area of Abu Dhabi. There are more than 50 species of seagrass in the world's oceans. 3 occur in the Arabian Gulf: Halodula uninervis, Halophila ovalis and Halophila stipulacea. These 3 seagrass species are considered to be the most tolerant of all species to extremes of water temperature and salinity. Seagrasses prevent coastal erosion by stabilising unconsolidated sediments. In addition, the leaves form a dense carpet which dampens current and wave activity. The water over seagrass literally teems with small crustaceans, molluscs and fish. Outside the seagrass areas, the fauna is much poorer. A great diversity of fish and waterfowl can be observed feeding in seagrass meadows, which act as a nursery, providing a habitat for the growth of both commercial and non-commercial fish and invertebrates, and are important for small fish as a refuge from predators. Because of the shallow coastal locations in which seagrasses occur, they are subject to natural stresses and to a range of human-related impacts.
The seagrass meadows in the Gulf are probably in the best state of any place in the world. We know from recent evidence that there's a global pressure on seagrasses, and they are disappearing by the hundreds and thousands of hectares in other parts of the world. We don't see that happening in the Gulf. But some of the human-caused pressures we see are dredging pressures to create real estate, to keep open channels and canals for shipping. And we see release of human sewage and pollutants, industrial sewage waste, the release of heated water, which is used to cool, in some places, atomic reactors and oil plants. Even heated water that's released directly to the environment can be a pressure. The release of overly saline water, particularly in the Gulf area, where you have high natural salinities, the release of saline water above normal salinities can be a pressure. And these sorts of things are being conducted around the city of Abu Dhabi, as well as every place else in the world, and these are pressures that may lead to the demise and reduction of seagrasses.
If the vast areas of seagrasses in Abu Dhabi Emirate were to disappear, then most of the commercial fish species would also disappear. Furthermore, important species such as green turtles and dugongs that feed directly on the seagrass would vanish. Human activities in the marine environment and along the coastal areas need to be managed in order to prevent the destruction of seagrass areas. The entire marine ecosystem depends on it.